It's January 30th. I'm Reggie Green at Green Home Loans, and I'm here with your mortgage rate and housing update. You get the beautiful office views of my real office today instead of my home office, so hope you really enjoy that. So jumping into interest rates have stayed relatively stable, kind of in the same range over the past 7 days. We did have the PCE inflation data come out on Friday of last week, and the numbers were kind of where they expected them to be. PCE inflation year over year is at 2.6%, and core inflation's at 2.9%, which is pretty close to where the experts thought they were going to be, so you didn't see major market movement. Now, we do have a couple high-profile events coming your way this week that could move the mortgage rate markets. Starting off with the Fed meeting. The Fed are meeting on Tuesday and Wednesday, followed by a statement and a press conference. Nobody is really expecting the Fed to change the rate, either raise them or lower them. Think it's going to remain the same, but really what we're looking at is clues on when they're going to do that first rate drop. Is it going to be in March or is it going to be in Q2, Q3? So that's what we're really going to look for, and that's what the market's probably going to react to. On Friday, we have the BLS jobs report. Just kind of a reminder, when job creation is over expectations, typically is not good for rates. If it's under expectations, it's good for rates. And usually the jobs report usually kind of gives us an idea of where rates are going to go the following month. So we'll be looking out for that. But right now, you still have great interest rates. Conventional loans usually in the mid sixes, depending on closing costs, credit scores, stuff like that. FHA and VA government borrowers, high fives to mid sixes, depending on how you want to structure the loan. Now, moving on to the CoreLogic Case-Shiller Index for November of 2023. Now, this index is about 3 months lag time, and for the first time since January of 2023, we're seeing nationally home prices declined on a month-over-month basis. So from October until November of 2023, home prices dropped 0.2% nationally. That's without any seasonal adjustment. So if you really look at it, in October, rates went through the roof into the 8%. So it's not unsurprising that you see that home prices dropped a little bit because of low demand in November. But we're still at a very healthy year-over-year appreciation of 5.1%. So if you want to check out your city over here and see how it's doing both yearly and month over month, we've shared this little graph and picture with the major 20 cities that they measure in that index. And let's end it with the Cromford report, which specifically discusses Phoenix Metro real estate. So what we're seeing in Phoenix Metro is we're seeing supply increase at the same time demand is increasing. So over the past 4 weeks, we have 8,278 new listings come on the market, and listings under contract percentage has went up 43%. So according to the Cromford report, with demand and supply both increasing, we should see a recovery in transaction volumes and firm pricing without the risk of runaway appreciation. So here's the market snapshot for today if you want to check that out, but we are expecting transaction volume to continue to go up in February and beyond in the spring buying season. That's going to be your mortgage rate and housing update for January 30th, 2024. If you need anything, call me, email me, Reggie Green, Green Home Loans, 480-206-5577. Hope you have a fantastic week. We're Green Home Loans. We do mortgages better.